this is an endless loop. All right.
Do it again.
Hey everybody, Mark from TentandTable.com. Wanted to show you one of our new items that we're stocking right now, and this is called an endless loop ratchet strap. You know, most of the ratchet straps that we have in a 1-inch size are going to have the hook on one end, they're going to have a loop on another, they're going to be kind of a 2-part ratchet strap, all right? And those are excellent when you're putting up a tent and you need a D-ring to send your stake through. But on something like an endless loop for chairs or for anything that's going to be a stacked quantity of a product, the nice thing about this is it's only one piece, it's one strap. I can bring this through and around. Pull the slack out of it on a stack of chairs. Bring it over on the plastic area where it's not going to necessarily scratch the paint, and I can tighten this right into place. You know, it's nice because it's one strap. You're not dealing with having to hook the loop around to the other part. And for something like a stack of tables, a stack of chairs, you know, there's not a lot of hooks or D-rings that might scratch on your chairs. You basically can run this right through and it's going to put a nice secure wrap on your chairs when they're in a truck or being transported around. So they're kind of one of those must-haves if you use any sort of a chair dolly to move your chairs around. Give a sales rep a call, throw some on your next order. I know you'll get a lot of use out of them.